The windshield wipers on your Audi are easy and intuitive to use and provide you with some features to make driving in less than perfect weather a little more perfect. Pressing the stalk down once will give you a single wipe of the windshield. Pressing the stalk down and holding will give you continuous wiping until you release the stalk. Moving the stalk up to the first click from the off position will provide automatic rain-sensing wiping, starting with a single wipe on activation. While activated, the rain sensor automatically turns on the wipers when it begins to rain, adjusting wiper frequency to match rainfall intensity. To increase or decrease the sensitivity of the rain-sensing function, move the control switch on top of the stalk. Left for less sensitivity, providing fewer wipes, or to the right for greater sensitivity and more frequent wiping. Each time you change the sensitivity, the wipers will complete one wipe to acknowledge the change. The next stalk position up is for continuous low-speed wiping. The top position is for continuous high-speed wiping. To wash the windshield, pull the stalk towards you and hold. This will spray washer fluid and continue wiping as long as you hold it in this position, and wipe 3 more times after you release. With its ergonomic position and full function settings, the wiper stalk on your Audi provides you with a great deal of control of your visibility in inclement weather.